Hi, my name is DatT, and this is our team summary achievement. For this week, I worked on the search filter functionality, and then I also worked on the confirmation for book requests. And then YanFayC worked on editing book listing, deleting book listing, and also updating the user information where it reflects the book listing.
This is YanFayC and this is my demo. Child user story, edit book listing. As a lender, I want to be able to edit an existing book listing so that I can change the information on it. When the lender clicks on a book on the listing section, he or she will be directed to a page where the information of the book, which is the title, author, description, and genre, will be auto-populated. When the lender clicks on the Submit button after editing the information on that page, upon a successful update, he or she will be redirected to his or her listing page. Upon successful update, the information on the Home section, Listing section, and Finder Store will also be updated. Let's go to the Listing section. Finding Audrey, now let's change it to Finding Eddie. Submit. Finding Eddie. Finding Eddie. Finding Eddie. Next, child user story, delete book listing. As a lender, I want to be able to delete a particular existing book listing so that no one will be able to view my book listing and or borrow it. When the lender clicks on the trash icon on the top right corner of the app, an alert dialog box will pop up and ask if the lender would like to delete that particular book listing. If the lender clicks on the Yes button and the deletion of the book listing is successful, the lender will be redirected to the listing page. Upon successful deletion, the book listing will be removed from the Home section, Listing section, as well as on Finder Store. If the lender clicks on the Deny button or Cancel button, a pop-up message will show and notify the lender that the deletion didn't happen. So let's go to Listing once again. Finding Eddie. Delete. No. Let's try deleting again. Cancel. Now let's try deleting it for real this time. Yes. This is the list of books. Finding Eddie is gone. Finding Eddie is gone. And Finding Eddie is gone. Lastly, for my child user story, update lender's name on book listing. As a lender, I want to have my name be updated on the books that I have listed if I were to change my name in the Edit Account Information section so that it won't be misleading for the app users and they will have the latest information about my name. When the lender successfully updates his or her first name and or last name in the Edit Account Information page, his or her previous name that is stated on all his or her book listings on the Home page and Listing page will be updated to reflect his or her new name. The lender's name field for all those books that were listed by the lender on Finder Store will also be updated to the new name. Let's test it out. Let's change it to Taylor Swift once again. Update. Taylor Swift. This is on your homepage. Taylor Swift. Let's go to the listing page. It says Taylor Swift now. Let's go to Finder Store. Taylor Swift. And Taylor Swift. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.
Hi, this is DatT, and this is my part. As a borrower, I want to search for a book so that I can narrow down the search for a particular book. As the search text changes, the book list is filtered according to the matching search text. When the search text is empty, the original book list is repopulated. So right now, on my database, I have 3 books that are accessible to the public, and they all belong to DatT. And I'm currently logged in as Timmy. So I am Timmy, and I want to search for a particular book. So I can go search. So I can see the 3 books, and let's say I want to search for To Kill a Mockingbird. Then I can just type in kill, and I could see the book is narrowed down to that book. And I can also change my mind. If its search tag is empty, the original book list is repopulated. And let's say if I want to search for a book that has a title with the word code, I can type in code, and that book will show up. As a lender, I want to see the user's requests in pending activity so that I can confirm their requests. After the user submit a request, the user should be able to see their pending request in their pending page. After the user submit a request, the lender should be able to see the request in their request page. So let's say I want to request for this book to DatT, so I can click on clean code, and I'll select request book. This time I'm not going to send DatT an email. I'm just going to hit back again, and then I'm going to go to my pending page. So I'll go tracking, and here in pending I see that I have requested for a book called Clean Code to the lender DatT, and I'm waiting for DatT's response. And then I don't have anything in the request because no one is requesting any book from me. And then I'm going to go ahead and log out of Timmy account and log into DatT account. So now I'm in DatT account, and I can go to tracking. And then if I go to, I don't have anything pending because I haven't requested any book, but if I go to request, I see that Timmy has requested a book from me called Clean Code. And if I have more requests, then it will have a list of requests from other user. As a lender, I want to accept the user's book request so that the user knows that I have confirmed their request. When the lender accepts a book request, a notification will display whether it was successful. After the lender accepts the book request, the borrower can see the acceptance in their tracking page. So right here, I know that Timmy is trying to request this book, and I can hit accept. And the notification show up, the book ID, that it was successful. And then now I'm going to go back to Timmy account to see the confirmation. So I'm going to log out. Here I'm logging back in as Timmy. If I go to tracking, I see that I don't see the book that I request is pending anymore. So it looked like the owner may have rejected or confirmed it. But so if I go to confirm, I see that DatT has confirmed my request, and the status for the book was accepted. And that's it for my Sprint 2. Thank you for listening.